Good morning. My name is Dr. Petrikovsky. I'm a professor of obstetrics and gynecology. And in this brief video, I will address the issue of fetal tissue research and coronavirus infection. It's very important to understand that none of my videos and none of my talks are politically motivated, but at this point, I really have to say something. The current administration was accused by its refusals to lift so-called baseless restriction on human fetal tissue research in view of the outbreak of coronavirus infection. I just want to remind everybody that fetal tissue research ban was instituted in 1988 and has to do only with federal funding. Certain scientists who showed prominence in fetal tissue research and showed some good results, so-called grandfathers into fetal tissue research, and their funding continues. Private funding for fetal tissue research goes on. The current situation and use of coronavirus outbreak to encourage fetal tissue research, in my opinion, is a very wrong thing to do. First of all, none of the previous vaccines were developed with use of fetal tissue, to the best of my knowledge. Fetal tissue research has nothing to do currently with developing or speeding up the process of developing vaccination. Ban on fetal tissue research had some benefits. For example, it allowed us and many others to develop an alternative source of fetal cells without using fetal tissue from abortion material, one of which is the biopsy of umbilical cord. We published it a while ago, and the whole idea is that you can actually take umbilical cord, you can perform a biopsy, and you can harvest fetal tissue without damaging the fetus. There is other alternative sources such as amniotic fluid, fetal blood, etc. So the whole idea of using current epidemics to encourage fetal tissue research and to break the government ban doesn't have to have any merit. Thank you.